Welcome to Priya Define and Sculpt. If you're new to my channel, my name is Priya, qualified beauty therapist, makeup artist and a hairdresser. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to drape a sari with perfect pleats. Sari are owned as uniform by the female hotel staff of many 5-star luxury hotels in India as a symbol of Indian culture. Similarly, the female politicians of India wear the sari in a professional manner. So I'm going to drape a heavy work georgette sari with perfect pleats. Easy to drape a silk sari with steam iron or straightener, but heavy work georgette sari isn't possible to pre-pleat with heat because it may damage the beads. So you're gonna learn the tips and tricks in this video. So subscribe to Priya Define and Sculpt and click the bell button to get notified of my upcoming videos. Always tie your inskirt or petticoat right side because it looks neat and flat. Make sure it is not too tight as it may cause discomfort. So medium tight will do. Insert the other side of the pallu on the right side of your waist to begin sari draping. Just wrap around the waist and tuck in the excess height of your sari. Tuck-in should be neat and clean. If you are a person of wearing high heels, then you have to wear it before sari draping to adjust the height. If not, your heels will be visible while walking or there are chances you may slip off. After the first wrap, tuck in the right and left side of the center pleat area and begin pleating the pallu. If you notice, I'm using thumb finger and point finger to hold each of the pleats. I'm aiming for 9 to pallu and front pleats, but you can pleat how much ever pleats you wish to. Line the pleats and send them back little by little to get neat finish. I would advise you to pre-pleat any sari so that it's just take 4 to 5 minutes to drape. Always hold the high point on the shoulder to line up the pleats. Now secure the pleats with sari safety pin. Check the pallu pleats is longer enough and I'm going to secure the back side of the pallu with another sari safety pin by leaving the first pleat to hide the footage of sari safety pin. Bring the first pleat from right side to left side, nice and tight, and secure it with safety pin. This step is so important. That's when the pleats in the hip area is going to look so beautiful. I'm aligning all the front pleats nice and tight and I'm going to secure it with hair clutch for time being so that I can easily pleat the front pleats. Now pulling the side bit nice and tight and I'm going to pull this towards downwards and I'm going to secure it with safety pin. I'm securing the same part with another safety pin, but this time I'm just bringing it little backwards. Now start pleating with the same technique which I have shown in the beginning of the video. Use point finger and thumb finger to pleat a sari. Leave one last pleat and line up the rest of the pleats. Always tuck in line up pleats from the start of the belly button. But before that, I'm going to line up the side pleats, bringing upwards and securing it with saree safety pin. Now line up all the pleats and tuck inside the petticoat. Now put your hand inside the pleats and just pull the rest of the side pleats towards upwards and tuck inside the petticoats, and the hip area will be curved nice and neat. No matter what, how fat or how lean or how thin you are, you will get a right shape and it shows your correct body structure. If you are a beginner, please do secure the front pleats with safety pin. Now align all the front pleats and side pleats. Just pull down little bit gently towards downwards to align all the side pleats. Do not forget to correct the front pleats as well. After the front side, just correct the back side of the pleats as well. Now you have to pull down everything little by little so that it will be tight in the front and as well as in the back. Let me count the number of pleats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, the gorgeous Georgette saree is being pleated perfectly with no steam iron or straightener. I would highly recommend you to practice saree draping with any of the Georgette or chiffon saree to master the techniques. Draping silk saree and pleating silk saree is easy than the Georgette with heavy work. So try learning the hardest way to master the techniques. If you want to learn how to pre-pleat a silk saree, please do comment below. I hope you will be trying the saree draping, and do not forget to comment below how it worked for you. I hope this video is informative for you. If so, please do not forget to like and share. If you're new to my channel, subscribe to Priya Define and Sculpt if you haven't subscribed, and stay tuned with me. Thank you for watching my today's video. See you all soon. Bye bye.